Assemble the scratching board. Please read the user guide for instructions before assembling. All installation accessories are included in the package. What you need is a screwdriver and a pair of scissors. To assemble the scratching board, align the top and bottom boards. Attach the connector piece in the middle. Secure with 4 connector screws. Insert the sisal mat on the top of the board. Press and smooth out the mat. Choose a toy to attach to the board. To attach the coil toy, pull the rope through the coil and insert the spring into the hole. To attach the hanging feather, tie the toy to the rope. Our sisal mat is removable and replaceable. Use the yellow ribbon to help you to grab the edge of the sisal mat, then peel the mat off the board. Installation. Use the scratching board on the floor. Apply the 4 anti-slip pads to the back 4 corners of the board. Then you can place the board flat on the floor for your cat to use. Or, you can open up the floor stand to place the board on an angle on the floor. Mount the scratching board on the wall. Place the board at the desired location. Use a pen to mark the mounting holes. Drill holes in the center of the pen markings with a 15/64 drill bit. Insert the drywall anchors into the drilled holes. Line up the mounting holes on the board with the anchors. Insert and fasten the short screws into the anchors. Place the sisal mat back on the board. Attach the coil toy or the hanging toy. Mount the scratching board against the wall. Find the desired location. Place the wall angle support part 16.5 inches from the floor. Use a pen to mark the mounting holes. Drill holes in the center of the pen markings and insert the drywall anchors. Insert the wall angle support on the back of the board. Line up the mounting holes on the board with the anchors. Insert and fasten the long screws into the anchors. Place the mat on the board. Attach the coil toy or the hanging toy. Tape the scratching board on the furniture or wall. Apply double-sided tapes on the back of the board. Adhere the board to the desired place. When one side of the sisal mat is worn and torn, you can easily change the direction of the mat to extend its usage life.
Peace, love. Love pets.